Hello children, SST lesson number 19, story of early man. Dear children, in this lesson we are going to get information about early man and how he made progress, how he invented many things. Dear children, the earliest humans lived thousands and thousands of years ago. They lived in a jungle. They are called hominids. The meaning of hominids means the group of consisting of all modern and extinct great apes, that is modern humans, chimpanzees, gorilla, orangutan. As you know that they lived in a jungle. They were afraid of big and dangerous animals in the jungles. They lived in small groups. They moved from one place to another in search of food. Early humans were known as hunter-gatherers because of the way in which they used to get their food. They hunted animals for meat, caught birds and fish, gathered seeds, fruits, nuts, berries, roots, honey, leaves, eggs, etc. Dear children, the early man used tools for digging roots and hunting animals. They used pieces of wood and stones with sharp edges. The early man started making sharper tools. They tied stone pieces with sharp edges to wooden sticks. This became the first spear. With this, they could kill animals from a distance. Gradually, they made axe and the hammer. You can see in this picture, early man was making tools. Now, the tools made the early man powerful. With the help of tools, they could find food and hunt efficiently. Even the bones of animals also they used as the tools for hunting, fishing, digging and sewing also. Dear children, the early man used animal skin, barks of trees and leaves as their clothes. As you know that the early man wandered from one place to another in search of food. They did not build any house. Later they started making huts from mud and leaves. Next step was discovery of fire. The early man saw jungle fires breaking out very often. But children, they were scared of it. Slowly, they observed that fire gives out heat. They also noticed that animals did not come near the fire. So they tried to make fire by using sparks from jungle or by rubbing two stones. This way, early man started using fire to light up caves or to keep themselves warm, and also to keep animals away. Dear children, very interesting thing I would like to tell you that accidentally they realized that fire can be used to cook food. See how cooking started with the help of fire. A piece of flesh fell down into the fire. Early men found that the roasted piece of flesh was softer and tastier than the raw meat. This was the beginning of cooking. And the discovery of fire changed the way of living of the early man. They started using fire to make their lives easier, and it was the big step towards the progress. Dear children, next step was learning to do farming and domesticate animals. Dear children, the early man noticed, as you know, that man is very intelligent animal. Yes? So he noticed that new plants grew from the seeds that fell on the ground. So early man started scattering seeds on the ground, and new plants grew in large numbers. So early man realized that a lot of food can be grown in this way. This way, the early man started farming. Then they started using tools to soften hard upper layer of the soil also. So they could easily sow the seeds in the soft soil. This way, plowing started. They started use of animals also for plowing. Dear children, early man started taming animals. Soon early man realized that animals can be of great use. So they started taming animals. Dog was perhaps the first domesticated animal. They found that cows, buffaloes and goats gave milk. Horses and donkeys were used to travel and carry loads. Sheep was reared for its wool. So, early man started taming animals. Dear children, as you know that early man started farming. Now, he had his own farm and domestic animals also. So he did not move from one place to another in search of food. They made huts and they needed water for their farms. They built their houses close to the river bank. So they could also get food by fishing in the river also. Next step towards the progress of early man was the invention of wheel. Dear children, before the wheel was invented, the early man used floating logs or barks of wood on water to travel. They tied a few logs together and made a raft. This way, transportation on the water started. Dear children, but it was very difficult to travel on land with heavy loads. They used carts or sledges. Meaning of sledge means cart without wheels. As nowadays, see how roads are there. When early man was there, the land was uneven. So it was very difficult to pull them on uneven surfaces. Dear children, it is supposed that the idea of the wheel clicked from a stone or log rolling downwards. Sometime later, the early humans realized that round logs of wood could move easily on the ground. So, the early man noticed tree trunk rolling easily. They pulled their carts on the logs and pulled them. Now it was easier to move the carts on uneven surfaces. This is how the wheel was invented. The early man also invented the potter's wheels. They made pots out of clay. They dried pots in the sunlight and baked them in fire. This way they made pots stronger. As you know that early man started farming, so he produced grain and they stored the grains in these clay pots. As time went, the early man discovered metal from the stones. Copper and iron were perhaps the first metal to be discovered. And this way, invention of metals made stronger and sharper tools. As you know that early man's life progressed and the early man continued to live a settled life. They started to spend time with their family and friends. They also made musical instruments. They also danced to the music. They also painted animals and hunted scenes on the walls of caves. Dear children, man has continued to make new discoveries and invention. As you know that man is intelligent. Dear children, our today's life is very easier and comfortable. Now also we are finding newer and better ways that can make our lives even more comfortable. Yes, children?